Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add a credit card in the PayPal application. If you regularly use PayPal for online shopping, sending or receiving money, or connecting payment methods for your business or creative work, adding a credit card is a smart step. First of all, open the PayPal app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage of PayPal, go ahead and tap on the Wallet button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Wallets tab, click on Add New. Now, from the pop-up at the bottom, click on Debit and Credit Cards. You can now scan your debit or credit card by clicking on Scan Your Card and scanning the card, or you can manually enter your card info by tapping on Enter Your Card Info. Now, enter your card number in the text box, its expiry date, and the CVV code in the correct field. Make sure that your billing address matches the one your card issuer uses. And finally, after all the credentials are done here, click on Link Card. Once the card is verified, it will be listed under your linked payment methods. You can choose it as a default for certain payments or just keep it as a backup. So that's how you easily add a credit card or a debit card to PayPal app in a straightforward process. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.